Question 8, see answer a question on electromagnetic radiation under the topic of wave, sound and light. In the description box uzothola ama links for other recordings engiwayenzile for this question paper, November 2017, Physical Sciences paper 1. Now our question 8 again. Consider a laser pointer and cell phone is shown below. Okay, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching guys. So now this cell phone lena ingibuyisela back emuva ngisesemncane. So where ama cell phones, I remember ama cell phones they used to have ama aerials, bekase fashionini ke ama cell phone wakhona. Le Nokia esindayo, so ine aerial inama button aqinile, so ne screen esi black and white. Yiwo ke lama phone la. I think if they used ilo kanje, maybe a smartphone, maybe the question bezoba relatable or relevant to the current times. But anyway, so I think on the internet or the program bebayisebenzisa for preparing this question paper bathola the cell phone. But then basipha ne laser pointer. A laser pointer, it's that object, or it's that device now you press so you keep a red light. For laba bangayazi, laba bathanda ukubukela ama movies, so kunalama military type of movies where or ama movies where involve amaphoyisa kakhulu. So kunalabantu ababiza ukuthi ama snipers, labo bantu ama sniper, so banokuthi nabapointa i-target yabo, so bese kuba na this red light evelayo mhlambe la ku forehead yabo. So that red light iproduce by laser pointer. Uyayithola elukayo kuzibhamu, ungayithola nasesitolo now if ever uyayifuna this thing. So a laser pointer is this object la, right? 8.1 state the type of electromagnetic radiation that is emitted by the laser pointer. 8.1.1. Okay, the electromagnetic spectrum in a 7 yama energy frequencies or ama energy wavelengths. Sine radio wave, sibuye sibe ne microwave, kube nani futhi. Okay, radio wave, kube nani microwave, kube nani futhi konje. Oh yeah, infrared, yazikhohlwa lezinto. Infrared, white light, kube nani ultraviolet light, kube ne yes x-rays, kube ne gamma ray, right? Kube ne gamma ray. So the question is, out of wonke lama wavelengths now, which one is emitted by a laser pointer? The laser pointer is a red light. It means yini infrared light. 8.1.2, a cell phone. Unama cell phone towers. Your cell phone communicator nama cell phone towers because of ama cell phone waves, or ama cell phone waves that travel over long distances, which they can only be transported by what? By ama radio waves. So lago 8.1.2 we have ama radio waves. Now 8.2 lanago 8.2 but a laser pointer uses red light photons with a wavelength of 620 nanometer. And then lanago 8.2.1 but you see it defined the term photon. A photon is simply a packet of energy found in light. Njengoba bengukudrawela lama wavelengths lawa. Each wavelength has a certain amount of carries a certain amount of energy. Gamma rays has the highest amount of energy compared to ama radio waves. So each packet he allocated a certain amount of energy. So each packet carries a certain wavelength, right? So ama photons is just ama packets of energy found on the electromagnetic spectrum. 8.2.2 but is calculate the energy of the red light photon. Let's take out the data card. We are given only a wavelength. This wavelength kumele si express in terms of ama meters, right? So ibala as 620 times 10 to exponent minus 9 meters. This is 620 nanometer. A nano is represented by 10 raised to exponent 9. But we want to calculate the energy, right? But I'm only given a wavelength. Well, h is a constant, but to f is the frequency. In other words, calculate again. So how do I calculate the frequency again? I use the formula speed of light. Speed of light is a constant, frequency times the wavelength. I do have a wavelength as well as the speed of light. I can calculate the frequency again. Let us substitute the two values, dividing both sides by 620. Then asithole answer ke manje la. Asibone about 3 times 10 raised to exponent 8 divided by 620 times 10 to exponent negative 9. So our answer lies 4.84. Frequency is equal to 4.84 times 10 to exponent not negative 1. Yo, it's 14 hertz. So now frequency yethu ke manje. Then we go ahead and calculate ubani sesiza la kule formula ke manje. We calculate the energy. We substitute to h. H constant is a value ngayithola ku formula sheet is 6.63 times 10 raised to exponent 34 open bracket times frequency 4.84 times 10 to exponent 14 then siya calculate ke manje 6.63 times 6.63 times 10 raised to exponent minus 34 times 4.84 times 10 to exponent 14. This is equal to okay, let me fix it. Let's rectify this. We'll go about 3.21. Energy is equal to 3.21. Yeah, 21 times 10 raised to exponent minus 19 joules. Now answer it again. This is our energy emitted by a red light of a photon. And then for the last question, 8.2.3, refer to the answer in 8.2.2. Explain why it is very dangerous to shine a laser pointer into a person's eye. First of all, a laser is or laser has high in intensity, a laser has high intensity wavelength, has high intensity wavelength, and can damage ama eye tissues. Why do I say that? Ama eye tissues are very sensitive, and then this a laser pointer in a high intensity, meaning it carry a lot of energy, right, and can damage any ama eye tissues work. So you can go permanently blind by being exposed to a laser pointer. So next time now udlala ngayo, avoid pointing it on a person's eye, even inja yakho or ikati lakho. Avoid doing that ngoba dangerous this thing, right? Now question 8 to phelela lana. I hope we enjoy it. I hope we told some value out of this content. Ungakhohlwa uku-like, ungakhohlwa uku-share, ungakhohlwa uku-subscribe nangabe uyayi-enjoy content yami. So yeah, in the description box uzothola ama-links for other recordings engiwayenzile for the question paper. So for now guys, asibonane on the next video. Bye bye.